an incubation center in our college. And for the first time, we would propose our project to the Department of Science and Technology. This incubation center will made for the students by the students. The whole project will be created by the students under the direction of our mentors. Today, through this presentation, we will first introduce Department of Science and Technology to you. So without wasting your precious time, let's start. Now our mates will pray to the god. So I want to call Miss Ravina Bairwa and Kajal Bairwa for Saraswati Vandana. Ravina Bairwa and Kajal Bairwa.
ईश्वर की देवी माँ वाणी में मधुरता दो हमें गीत सुनाते हैं संगीत की शिक्षा दो अज्ञानी ग्रसित होकर क्या गीत सुनाए हम टूटे हुए सांसों से क्या स्वर को सजाए हम दो ज्ञान रागी मासूम वाणी में मधुरता दो ईश्वर की देवी माँ वाणी में मधुरता दो हम गीत सुनाते हैं संगीत की दिशा दो सरगम का ज्ञान नहीं शब्दों में सार नहीं तुम्हें आज सुनाने को मेरी मैया कुछ भी नहीं संगीत समंदर से स्वर तारे हमें दे दो ईश्वर की देवी माँ वाणी में मधुरता दो हमें गीत सुनाते हैं संगीत की शिक्षा दो भक्ति ना शक्ति है सेवा का ज्ञान नहीं तुम्हें आज सुनाने को मेरी मैया कुछ भी नहीं गीतों के खजानों से एक गीत हमें दे दो ईश्वर की देवी माँ वाणी में मधुरता दो हम गीत सुनाते हैं संगीत की शिक्षा दो
Okay, now I would like to request my principal sir to interact and welcome our guest, Mr. Shams. Okay, sorry, there is some mistake. Now I would like to request our principal to interact our special guest, chief guest, Dr. R.S. Tiwari, and all the dignity. Sir, please.
Very good afternoon to all of you. It's my pleasure to welcome all the delegates, Dr. R.S. Tiwari sir, for his wonderful uh, career as well as the his valuable time, which is he is sparing us for this function. I also welcome the other delegates like Saurabh sir, who is very good in DSC projects, as well as I also welcome Dr. Anil Batija sir for his precious time. Definitely, sir, we will hear you. And I also thankful to Mr. Mahesh Kumar sir. Sir, we will seek you your kind words. Thank you to all of you for your precious time. Over to you, Bhavani. Bhavani, over to you. Bhavani, over to you.
Okay. Now I would like to call Dr. R.K. Bhatija, Professor of SDIT DOSA, to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. R.S. Meena, Dean Research of RTU Kota. Please, sir. Hello. Please, sir. Dr. R.K. Bhatija, sir. Please, sir.
I again welcome Dr. R.S. Meena sir for his valuable time. And sir, it's our honor to have you with us for this function, and that too in a short period of time. You are agree to give us your valuable time. Thank you very much for your precious time. And also, I welcome you on behalf of SKT family. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. R.S. Meena. Bhavani, over to you. Bhavani, over to you.
Okay, now I would like to call Dr. R.K. Bhatija, Professor of SDIT DOSA, to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. R.S. Meena, Dean Research of RTU Kota. Please, sir. Dr. R.K. Bhatija, sir.
I welcome on the entire SDIT family, all the delegates, Dr. R.S. Meena sir, Saurabh sir, as well as Mahesh sir. I welcome you on behalf of entire SDIT family. Uh, Thank you very much for your precious time. And definitely, our student will be benefited by your precious words. Thank you very much. Over to you, Bhavani.
Okay,
Bhavani, over to you.
okay. Now I would like to start our presentation with our mate Subhash. So Subhash, please.
Okay, so before that, I would like to call Mr.
Yes, Subhash.
Sir, voice is not to
Is
be clear.
Mr. Anil Batiza there? Sir, are you there in the meeting? Sir, Mr. Anil Batiza, are you in?
Yes, I am here. Yes, I am here.
So, guys, I introduce you Dr. Anil Batiza. He's an associate professor, Department of Anatomy, GMERS Medical College, Patan, Gujarat. He had done MBBS from GR Medical College, Gwalior, MS from MP Shah Medical College, Jamnagar, Gujarat, served in MP Shah Medical College, Jamangarh, PTU Medical College, Rajkot, Government Medical College, Jagalpur, CG, SBKS Medical College, Vadodara, GMERS Medical College, Vadodara, associated with Brahm Kumari's World Spiritual University, Mount Abu since 2000. Deliver lecture on healthy lifestyle, stress management, anger management, etc.
So this is a great pleasure that I am hearing that you are going to start a center for the research scholar. That is the whatever we call the in our medical science, that is STS project, the student project for the research. So it is very great pleasure that you are going to start the center, and for this you are today and in this program, the inaugural session of this research center. And in this, the 4 departments you have included, I heard. And my best wishes with you, especially for the students, graduate, undergraduate students, which will apply the different project to Department of Science and Technology. And I hope whatever the project you will submit, I wish all project will be accepted by the Science Department of Science and Technology. And I hope that all the students will work with full dedication, sincerity, honesty. So sincerity, honesty, and dedication are the main pillar for the success of any project. So very great wishes to all of you, especially the SDIT team and your all team of this inaugural session, and especially for the establishing this center. So all the best, a great success you will achieve. I hope and pray to God that you will achieve a great milestone in your DOSA Institute, this Digambar Institute of DOSA. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Rahul Ved to interact and welcome our guest, Mr. Saurabh Porwal.
Hello, I'm Rahul
Yes.
Ved. To welcome, I welcome to the special guest, Mr. Subhash Poshwal. Welcome. Hello, Mr. Subhash Poshwal.
Yeah, Rahul. Hi.
Sorry, sir, it's Mr. Saurabh Oswal. Are you there, sir?
Yes, I'm Saurabh Porwal.
Mr. Saurabh Poshwal received his BE in 2007 and MTech in 2013 in Electronics and Communication Engineering Personality. He enrolled for PhD from BTU Bikaner and is working as assistant professor at Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, Udaipur. Mr. Porwal has received funding through his guidance student projects from many funding assists such as the Department of Science and Technology, Rajasthan and Texas Instruments, Bangalore. He is the author of several books in the fields of microcontrollers and embedded system design, mobile computing, wireless communication, telecommunication fundamentals, and computer networks. He has got published several papers in national international conference of IEEE and IETE, other journals of international report. One of his published paper in IEEE Explore Online Digital Library is selected as track best paper in the international conference at Nasi Manji College, Mumbai. His area of interest includes embedded system design, provides computing, and data mining.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul, for your precious word for Mr. Saurabh Porwal. Now I would like to request Mr. Rahul Ved again to interact and welcome our guest, Mr. Mahesh Kumar.
Okay. Mr. Mahesh Kumar, ASM Tech PhD. He has received Bachelor of Engineering B from Government College of Engineering, Ramanagar, and Master of Technology MTech degree with first rank from Viswanath Technological University, Regional Center, Mysuru. He is pursuing PhD at JSS Science and Technology University, Mysuru. His area of research is medical image processing and artificial intelligence. He is a research supervisor and guiding UG and PG students at college level. He served as member of DOE and boss at various universities across the state. He also worked as review of IEEE, Spring journals, and other international journals and conferences. He has published around 30 high-quality journals, which include Elsewhere, IEEE Transactions, Finger, and Scopes. He has filed 10 national patents for international patents. He is recipient of Young Scientist Award from ISAC 2020, and also recipient of Award of Excellence in Research from NRA 2021. He has given many invited talks and seminars. He has organized many workshops and conferences based on medical image processing and machine learning. He has chaired many conferences, chair and resource person. He is an active reviewer and editorial board member in many journals. Over to Bhavani.
Thank you, Rahul, for your information. Now I would like to start my presentation with Subhas Yadav and Rahul Ved. So please, Subhas.
Yeah, we're going to start. Please wait for a while.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Subhas, we can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
The Department of Science and Technology, we are here. We are going to give presentation knowledge of Department of Science and Technology. We are some topics are we talking about instruction and scientific programs like scientific and engineering research, international cooperation, science and technology, socioeconomic programs, technology and development, women's scientist programs, and then we are considering another topic, science and technology policy, schemes, attached, institute, and reference.
Okay, so we are here in an incubation sector. Myself, Rahul Ved, CE BTech 4th Sem, and with me Subhas Yadav, CE Diploma 2nd year.
He is a honorable ex-minister of Science and Technology, Science and Health and Family Welfare, and Secretary of Ashutosh Sharma, Central Government of India Executive. Next. Here we government.
Sir, why have we been called?
Okay, so Department of Science and Technology. It was
Why
established.
have we been called?
Sir, your voice is not to be clear. Please again speak.
Okay. Department of Science and Tech. Am I audible now clearly?
No, sir, no.
I'm not audible clearly.
No, you are audible clearly. There is some issue in.
Okay.
Sir, audible clear.
Okay, so Department of Science and Technology established in May 1971. It's some technical glitch. Wait for a while. एक मिनट कुछ मत करो Please wait for a while.
Your voice is not clear.
Wait, please. Yes, so am I audible to you, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
So, Department of Science and Technology was established in May 1971. It is department within the Ministry of Science and Technology, with concern with science and technology all over the nation. Its aim, another department of for organizing, coordinating, and promoting scientific and technological activities. It provides fund to various approved scientific projects. It supports various researchers in India to attend conferences abroad and to go for experimental works. Now, what are scientific program? Scientific program like scientific and engineering research, international S&T cooperation, S&T for socio-economic programming, technology development, women scientist program, technology mission development. So these are formulation of policies related to science and technology, matter relating to the scientific advisory committee of the cabinet SACC. Am I audible to you?
Sir, why
Yes,
this class is color red?
Hello? Okay. So forward to next, scientific and engineering researches. Science and Engineering Researches Board (SERB). It implements various programs for strengthening the human resources engaged in diverse fields of science and engineering.
Sir,
In
why
which,
this class is color red?
sorry sir, wait a while. Hello, hello, hello.
yes, yes, was.
Sir, I can't actually know what's the problem going through. Is everything okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so innovation in science pursuit for inspiring researches. Government of India has approved the Inspire scheme in November 2008. Then the Honorable Prime Minister launched the program on 13th December
Sir, I
2008 with
cannot hear.
Vivek Sharma, you cannot hear. Okay, okay, but all of you others are can clear, listen clearly.
Vivek sir, please message on the chat box.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So when I'm going to continue.
Subhas, please continue.
Yes. Okay. So schemes for early attraction of talent seeds, scholarship and mentoring for 1 million children between age group of 10 to 17 years, scholarship for highest education, scholarship for 10,000 students between age group of 17 to 22 years. And third one is the assured opportunity for research career, AORC, fellowship for 1,000 scholars and faculty position for 1,000 between age group of 22 to 32. So it varies according to your ages, and it's not like someone who's under ages can only file the over ages patent. Now let's come to international S&T cooperation. So international science and technology cooperation is realized at two levels. One, bilateral cooperation with developed and developing countries. Second, multilateral and regional cooperation. Presently, India has bilateral SNT cooperation agreement with 83 countries, with active cooperation with 44 countries. International bilateral cooperation responsibility of DST. Negotiating, conducting, and implementing SNT agreement between India and other countries, providing intervention on SNT aspect in
Sir,
international
your
fraud.
voice is not clear. I cannot hear you.
Sir, I don't think so. Am I not audible?
Yes, you are audible clearly, but
Sir,
there is
you may
some
have your
But
some
I cannot
personal
hear you. Sorry.
sir, there may be some personal technical issue on your system.
device issue.
Yeah. So I continue. Science for Equity, Empowerment and Development SEED. So division has been playing an important role in promotion of SNT for social good. It supports such initiative through SNT-based voluntary organization and institution. Then next comes SEAMS for Young Scientists and Technologies. Aim
I
to
cannot
encourage.
understood.
Uh, sorry,
Sir,
sir.
there
You
is an issue in your device.
No, sir, no audible issue, but this uh, screen is not to be understood.
Okay, okay, this way. Okay. Please, Subhas, please present this presentation be clearly
wait.
once again.
Is it
Once again.
is it visible clearly? Isn't it visible now?
Yeah.
Please
Okay.
zoom out, sir.
Yes, this is visible clearly.
Okay. Now we come to Women Scientist Program. As DST launched Women Scientist Scheme WS during 2002 to 2003, its aim was to provide opportunity to the women scientists and technologists between the age group of 27 to 57 years who had a break in their career but desired to return to the mainstream. But there are some category for the fellowships. Under this scheme, women scientists are being encouraged to pursue research in the frontier area of science and engineering on problem of social relevance and to take up SNT-based internship followed by self-employment. Following three categories of fellowships with research grants are available for Indian citizens. First, WSA wins Women Scientist Scheme A. Also, there are the three scheme A and ABC. Then both are these three are for the research in basic applied sciences, SNT innovation for social benefits, internship in intellectual property rights (IPRS) for the self-development employment. So science and technology invention policy in 2030s, then national data sharing and accessibility policies, ethic guidelines, NGP policy 2021 and NGP guidelines again. Well, now what are the schemes? So we are talking about Kiran scheme, that knowledge involvement in research advanced through nurturing. In the year 2014, department has restructured all the women specific program under one umbrella known as Kiran. Kiran is addressing various issues related with women scientists, example unemployment, location, etc. But its aim to provide opportunities in research that's come under WSA and technology development that's come under WOSB and self-employment under WSC. So the next is Curie, consolidation of university research for innovation and excellence in women universities to develop state-of-the-art infrastructure in women universities in order to attract, train, and retain promising girl students in SNT domain with a view to okay, so now we come towards the other aspect of the DST. So DST promote
Sir,
its
please
official
again
language.
explain WOS, A, V, and C.
Sorry.
Please again explain WOS, A, WOS, V, and C.
Okay, so these are the three categories of fellowships with research granted. So they are basically WS A, B, and C, that are WAS for research in basic applied science, B social benefits, and C is for internship in intellectual property rights. You know, first one is for research, second version for social and technology, and third one is for internship. Is that clear, Mr.?
Is it clear to you, Kunal Sinhal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, continue. Continue, Subhas.
Author for original books on scientific subject in Hindi. Well, next, Parasar is a self-governing organization under DST, and it was 0.7. Well, there are some attached institutions to the DST department. Well, these are National Atlas and then a Thematic Mapping Organization and NATMO, Calcutta, Survey of India, Dehradun. Well, it's also helped in the Survey of India. It was an oldest scientific Dehradun Survey of India is dedicated itself to the geospatial data and promote an active exchange of scientists through implementation of short duration project, maximum 1 year in priority area of the state. So with the combination with the state government, and this program financial guide teacher of the institution. Next, how who can apply? So anyone who's graduate or postgraduate student of engineering college, student of polytechnic college, graduate postgraduate student of medical college, and
Sir, your voice is not clear.
postgraduate assistant.
Your voice is not clear.
Is that not clear? Someone other please tell me.
Yes,
Ji
yes.
sir,
Please
your
repeat
voice not
again.
clear.
Your voice is not clear.
Please repeat again, sir. Your voice is not clear, sir.
Ji sir. Sir,
Okay,
your
so
voice is not clearly.
I'm going to explain who can apply to this.
Actually, Shubhas, please repeat your previous slide again. Also, this voice is not clear.
Okay.
Please repeat last page, sir.
Okay. So my audio is clear now?
No, sir.
Actually,
no.
there is some internet issue with you, Shubhash. Shubhash,
I am
can you
listening
hear me?
your speech continuously, so it is not clear.
So this was the last of our. I don't know what Bliss is going through.
Actually, I think there is some internet issue with your device. Can continue again.
Yeah. I don't know what technical issue is going. I'm not audible.
What is the advantage of seminar? Then voice is not clear.
Speak again, Mank. You are now audible, Mank.
Yeah, I'm
Shubhash,
audible,
sir,
but
please.
I don't think. Guys, I don't know what Bliss is going through. I'm not audible.
चलाओ स्लाइड से प्रेजेंट कराएगा
Hello. Mayank, please give me some response. Okay. Please present your slide. from start, last start.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, 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 Subhas, you are audible.
Okay, so wait a while. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I'm going through some technical issues.
Yeah, no worry. Please start,
Okay,
continue.
so I was about, so we start again from here. SPP, it's Student Project Programming, and it's aimed to utilize the untapped talent and potential of the student of SNT stream through implementation of short duration project, maximum 1 year in priority areas of the state. Under this program, financial support is provided to the student during this course of studies under the supervision of a guide teacher of the institution. Well, there's the question, who can apply to this? So anyone who is graduate or postgraduate student of the engineering college, student from the polytechnic college, graduate postgraduate student from medical college, and postgraduate student of science and agriculture college. But there's an extent of financial assistance not extending 15,000 rupees. You can only extend up to 15,000. Not net no. How to apply? So the project proposal in prescribed format, you have prescribed format. For that you can go to the DST official website where you can get that. You have to make 3 copies of that and to submit that to the head of the institution, to the commissioner, Department of Science and Technology, Vigyan even प्रौद्योगिकी भवन, शास्त्री नगर, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And project duration maximum 1 year should be there. So guys, that's pretty much for the presentation. If you guys have any query, then you may ask now. If you don't, then I over to the Bhavani.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Subhash, for your presentation. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Anil Bhatija, sir, to enlighten students with their precious words. Dr. Anil Bhatija, sir, please. Anil Bhatija, sir, can you hear me? Hello. Anil Bhatija, sir, can you hear me? Okay, then we can continue. There is some issue, I think, with Dr. Anil Bhatija. Okay, now I would like to invite Dr.
Anil Bhatija, sir, not in Google Meet.
Okay, okay, fine. Then we can continue with other Dr. R.S. Meena. Okay, now I would like to invite Dr. R.S. Meena, sir, to enlighten students with their precious words. Dr. R.S. Meena, sir, can you hear? Can you hear me? Are you in this meeting, sir? Please say yes or no.
भवानी सर आप ही बता दीजिए.
What? What happened?
आप ही बता दीजिए सर.
I don't think Bhavani sir is here. You may continue from next.
Okay.
Continue to Mahesh.
Okay. Now I would like to invite Mr. Mahesh A.S. sir to enlighten students with their precious words. Mr. Mahesh sir, please.
Yes, sir. So thank you to Shri Digambara Institute of Technology and especially to the principal and organizing committee. Yeah. What, sir?
Voice is not clear.
No, sir, it's okay. Please continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think in the today occasion, I think they are providing a platform for all the students, young students and faculty
No, this
members.
is not okay. Not clear.
Hello, am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. So in this occasion, the Digambara Institute of Technology is providing a platform for the young faculty as well as students to develop their career in a good manner. What I can say that along with the faculty members, nowadays the research activities must even for the student also. In that manner, the college as well as principals have been planned and providing such great opportunity for all the students and young faculty members to develop their research activity through the incubation center. I think a few words I want to speak about this incubation center. So this academic incubators of invention and entrepreneurship are developed at various college levels and university levels. What is the need in order to support the innovation and creative project and work to make the students growth, to find the students growth in that? In that manner, the college has established an incubation center to develop their career. Not only the faculty members, even the student also work in that area to get their to make their life beautiful. So it has many objectives. I think incubation center, the development of the incubation center, they kept many objectives in their mind. So in order to create the job and wealth business according to the national priority, so in that way also this incubation center is very, very important for all the students to develop their new career. So along with that, it has many other objectives like to promote the new technology. So with the incubations, they can gain some knowledge about the innovation type of startup, like that kind of also like that kind of information. So also they can get it through this incubation center. And also it provides the cost effective and value added services, especially for the startup companies. So in that manner, and IPR, I think you know this IPR, intellectual property rights, there we can find different areas like patent, copyright and trademark. In that area also they can work out and they come out with the good results. So I hope that everyone, including faculty members and the students, can up to the maximum level, you can utilize the facility they are provided in terms of this incubation centers. So I hope best of luck for everyone. Be utilize all the resources which is available in the incubation center, and good luck for everyone. Hello, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for your precious words.
Yes.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Saurabh Porwal, sir, to say some words, some precious word to us.
Very good afternoon, everyone. I was listening all the presentations, and it was a very nice effort taken by Dosa Engineering College. When we talk about incubation center, incubation means raising funding from others, and we have many different like people, government bodies and organizations. If we talk about government, we have Department of Science and Technology as already shown in presentation. And in fact, the Department of Science and Technology, if you talk about, there are two DSTs. One is state DST and another is national level DST. So similarly, they have two sites, DST Rajasthan, that is www.dst.rajasthan.gov.in, and another is DST India. So there are two different, you can say two different bodies working parallelly. So all of you can be benefited from that two DSTs. Another thing is there are certain private organizations also. In case if you talk about private, we have Texas Instruments, Bangalore. They also help us in assisting developing this incubation cell. What they do is they motivate the students and faculties to work on their ICs. So in case if you work on their product, they will be funding you all the desired materials and components free of cost to you. This is one more thing from which you can be benefited. One thing I would like to share here is whenever you make a proposal, let's say you want to make a student proposal, being a student, when any of the student want to make a proposal, the first thing which should be clear is the topic which you take for funding should be of social cause. DST people or anybody would be funding you only when they will find that the topic is the stakeholders of the project, but whatever you are making, whatever you are going to make is going to be going to benefit all the peoples, or rather I can say the stakeholders would be more, then your chances of getting funded will be more. So as such, everything has been clearly shown by probably Mayank was there who was delivering the presentation. So Mayank has delivered very nice presentation. The voice was also audible. Some people might be saying that they were not audible, but in my case it was all clearly audible. So it was a nice presentation. He also shown WSB, Women Scientist Scheme, everything, different schemes of DST. So you may go through all the schemes and you can get funding from them and develop your incubation cell. Thank you for inviting me, especially Principal Saab, Dr. Rajesh Bhatija sir. I would like to thank all the staff also for listening me and all the students also. Thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh sir. Thank you very much. So nice of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Saurabh sir, I am glad that you are liked his presentation. Now I would like to invite Mr. R.S. Tiwari sir to enlighten students with their precious words.
हेलो, मैं डॉक्टर R.S. तिवारी, राजेश जी ने इनवाइट किया था, धन्यवाद उसके लिए। उन्होंने कहा था कि कुछ कविताएं आप सुनाएं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, तो क्या सुनाई दे रहा है? क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
सुनाई दे रहा है सर, ऑडिबल
Yes,
सर,
sir.
ऑडिबल सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are clearly audible.
मैं शुरू करता हूं। मेरी एक कविता है, जीत का संकल्प लेकर। ये बिल्कुल बच्चों में एक जोश, एक हिम्मत, एक ताकत पैदा करती है। जीत का संकल्प लेकर जो चला है आज तक, जीत उसके पास आई टेक घुटने शाम तक। जीत का संकल्प लेकर जो चला है आज तक, जो विजय कामना करके चलता है, मुझे पहुंचना है, मुझे जीत हासिल करनी है शाम तक, मतलब कुछ अंतराल के बाद जीत उसके पास अपने आप आ जाती है। यह सोचकर सोना नहीं कि जीत होगी हर समय, हार भी होगी कभी, अब सोच ले तो इस समय। ये सोचकर मत सो कि जीत हो ही जाएगी, हो सकता है आपकी हार भी हो। हार को स्वीकार करके जो चला है आज तक, जीत उसके पास आई टेक घुटने शाम तक। जो हार को स्वीकार करके चलता है और हार होने पे निराश हताश नहीं होता है, लगातार कोशिश करता है, उसके पास जीत जरूर आती है, माने विजय मिलती ही मिलती है। जीत उसकी है सुनिश्चित जो करे कोशिश निरंतर, लक्ष्य की पहचान करके जो चले सतपथ चिरंतर। जो जीत सुनिश्चित करके और उसके निरंतर कोशिश करते रहे उस लक्ष्य की ओर, उसकी पहचान करके और सच्चे मन से और सतपथ की ओर, मतलब अच्छे पथ की ओर, बुरे पथ की ओर नहीं कभी भी, तो निश्चित रूप से सफलता मिलती है। मार्ग की पहचान करके जो चला है आज तक, जीत उसके पास आई टेक घुटने शाम तक। जो मार्ग की पहचान करता है, कौन उचित है कौन अनुचित है, तो उसकी विजय निश्चित है। जीतने में है खुशी पर हार में कुछ कम नहीं। जीतने में तो खुशी है ही है, किंतु हार में कुछ कम नहीं। निज कमी को आंकने का है सुअवसर कम नहीं। अपनी कमी को आंकने का सुअवसर कम नहीं है। मतलब जितनी जीत में खुशी होती है उतनी ही हार में भी है, क्योंकि अपनी कमियों को दूर करने का मौका मिलता है, हमें जानने का मौका मिलता है कि कौन किस कारण से हमने इस चीज को में हार गए हम, या हमारी हार हुई। निज कमी को दूर करके जो चला है आज तक, जीत उसके पास आई टेक घुटने शाम तक। अपनी कमी को जो दूर करके चला है उसकी जीत सुनिश्चित है। वो शाम तक निश्चित रूप से या कुछ अंतराल के बाद उसकी जीत सुनिश्चित है। अंतिम है, जो हार कर थकता नहीं वह जीतता है। अब यहाँ जो हार गया लेकिन लगातार कोशिश कर रहा है, थका नहीं, वो हमेशा जीतता है, वो जीतेगा ही जीतेगा। किंतु जो जीत कर भी थक गया वह जीतता है। अब यहाँ जो जीत गया और थक गया कि नहीं साहब अब तो हो गया सब कुछ, अब नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो जिसको बोलते हैं ना खत्म, उसकी जिंदगी लीला समाप्त। मतलब जो चलता है वही पहुंचता है, और पहुंचकर जो थक गया वो फिर आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता। इसलिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए निश्चित रूप से हमें कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए।
Sir, life is a mirror. Smile at it.
हेलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही है? अथक का विश्वास लेकर जो चला है आज तक, जीत तो उसके पास आई टेक घुटने शाम तक। जो अथक का विश्वास करके चला है उसको निश्चित रूप से जीत मिलेगी, चाहे कोई भी तरीका हो, लेकिन कोई भी उपाय हो, यदि कोशिश करता है आदमी तो उसे सफलता तो मिलती ही है निश्चित रूप से। अब एक भारतीय व्यक्ति के ऊपर मैं एक कविता मैंने लिखी है, वो आप सुने। और समय का मारा एक दुखियारा, शीर्षक है समय का मारा एक दुखियारा, चला जगत में जय करने, फटी लंगोटी पहन दोपहरी, चला आज कर्मठ बनने, चला आज कर्मठ बनने, समय का मारा एक दुखियारा, चला जगत में जय करने। फटी लंगोटी है और दोपहरी में चल रहा है वो, लेकिन वो कर्मठता उसके अंदर है कि कुछ मुझे करना है। तो वो व्यक्ति किंतु अभागे के ऊपर विधि को भी दया नहीं आई, किया लाख कोशिश उसने पर क्षुधा तृप्ति न हो पाई। उस ईश्वर ने भी उसका साथ नहीं दिया और बहुत कोशिश किया, फिर भी भोजन नहीं मिला उसे, फिर भी साहस देखो उसमें, चला आज पर्वत लाने। पेट मतलब कहने का अर्थ है कितना भी परेशान है, भूख लगी है, भोजन नहीं मिला, फिर भी उसके अंदर साहस इतना है कि हिमालय को बोला नहीं साहब हम तो दिल्ली में लाएंगे, हम तो गुड़गांव में लाएंगे। मेरे कहने का अर्थ है एक भारतीय व्यक्ति के अंदर कितना साहस होता है कि नहीं साहब हमें तो ये काम करना है। उसके बाद पंक्तियां हैं, नहीं वस्त्र है तन पर उसके, चला लुकुटिया टेक, कमर झुकी और उधर है चिपका, भोजन बिना है पेट। वस्त्र नहीं है तन पर, चला लुकुटिया टेक, छड़ी लेके चल रहा है, उम्र कुछ भी हो गई हो, कमर झुकी और उधर है चिपका, कमर झुका हुआ है, झुकी हुई है और उधर चिपका हुआ है, पेट जो है चिपका हुआ है भोजन के बिना। फिर भी चला आज वह देखो स्वर्ग धरा पर लाने, फिर भी चला वह आज देखो स्वर्ग धरा पर लाने। उसका साहस देखिए कि स्वर्ग को धरा पे लाने के लिए चल दिया, मैंने धरती पे लाने के लिए। ये होता है साहस। माने कोई भी चीज असंभव नहीं है दुनिया में, यदि कोशिश करे आदमी तो हर चीज संभव है, सबसे बड़ी बात है। यदि कोशिश ही नहीं करेगा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। एक कविता मेरी है, फल की चिंता छोड़ जगत में। आप सुन रहे हैं सब लोग? हेलो,
यस सर।
फल की चिंता छोड़ जगत में, जिसने भी सत्कर्म किया, धरती पर सम्मानित होकर जीवन का आनंद लिया। फल की चिंता छोड़ जगत में, जिसने भी सत्कर्म किया, धरती पर सम्मानित होकर जीवन का आनंद लिया। फल देना कर्तव्य प्रकृति का, कर्म मात्र मानव के वश में, असफलता पर अश्रु बहाना, बुद्धिमता नहीं हरगिज जग में। यदि असफलता मिलती है उस पे अश्रु बहाना मतलब रोना, वो बुद्धिमता नहीं है, वो समझदारी नहीं है। फल देना तो प्रकृति का काम है, हमारा काम कर्तव्य करना है। असफलताओं के इस दुख से वृथा मनुज रोता है, भौतिकता की चकाचौंध में दिशाहीन जीता है। असफलता के इस दुख से आदमी को रोना नहीं चाहिए, भौतिकता की चकाचौंध में दिशाहीन जीता है। किस दिशा में हम जा रहे हैं, भौतिकता में हम जी रहे हैं, वो कुछ पता नहीं है। वो कि उसे सफलता नहीं मिल सकती, उसे सफलता मिलती जग में जिसने अथक संघर्ष किया, हंसकर जिसने दुख को झेला, सही दिशा में कर्म किया। जिसने सही दिशा में कर्म किया है उसे ही सफलता मिलेगी। और अथक का विश्वास करके जो थकता नहीं वही जीत सकता है। निज इच्छा शक्ति से जितने जग में नव निर्माण किया, इतिहास ने उसका गुण गाया, संसार ने उसको नमन किया। आज बनो तुम ऐसा जग में, मानो तुम पर गर्व करे, तुमको अपना इष्ट मानकर पद चिन्हों पर पैर धरे। कहने का अर्थ है कि आप ऐसा कर्म करो जिससे दुनिया आपके पीछे चले, आप दुनिया के पीछे नहीं चलो। लीडर वही होता है जो लीक बनाता है, उस पे सारे लोग चलते हैं। तो उस तरह का लीडरशिप क्वालिटी अपने अंदर पैदा करो, चाहे किसी क्षेत्र में हो, तो उस तब जाके आपको सफलता मिलेगी 100%। आपका नाम भी होगा, ख्याति भी होगी, आप देश के लिए एक बहुत बड़े महत्व की बात है आप यदि उस तरह का गौरव प्राप्त करते हैं। एक अंतिम कविता मैं आपको पढ़ रहा हूं, समय दिया आपने। समय बड़ा बलवान जगत में, समय बड़ा बलवान जगत में, कौन है उससे जीता, क्षण में राजा रंक बना है, रंक बना है राजा। समय इतना बलवान होता है, उससे कोई जीत नहीं सकता। क्षण में राजा रंक बना है, रंक बना है राजा, मतलब क्षण में ही राजा रंक बन जाता है, और रंक जो है गरीब आदमी राजा बन जाता है। किंतु मनुष्य जो धीरज खोता, पाता है कुछ जग में, समय भले विपरीत रहा हो, जीता है वह रण में। यदि मनुष्य जो धीरज रखता है, वो कुछ न कुछ जग में मिलता है उसे। समय भले विपरीत रहा हो, जीता है वह रण में। यदि समय कितना भी विपरीत रहा हो, लेकिन उसे विजय मिलती ही मिलती है। किंतु अधीर होकर जब मानव अपनी हिम्मत खोता है, समय चक्र अपनी धुरी में उसे पीसता रहता है। यदि कोई अधीर होकर, उसके अंदर साहस है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन अधीर हो जाता है, तो उस समय क्या होता है, वो हिम्मत खो देता है, और समय चक्र जो है अपनी धुरी में उसे पीस डालता है। जब जब समय बुरा आता है, बुद्धिहीन हो जाता मानव, क्या उचित है क्या अनुचित है, भूल भेद बन जाता दानव। जब भी समय बुरा आता है, आदमी की बुद्धि जो है वो खराब हो जाती है। वो सोचता है कि मैं जो कर रहा हूं सही कर रहा हूं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है। कभी भी मनन करना चाहिए, सोचना चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद क्या सही है क्या उचित है, तब आदमी को कोई काम करना चाहिए। और यदि उचित अनुचित का भेद भूल कर आदमी दानव का रूप बन जाता है, मान लो गुस्सा बहुत आया, क्रोध आ गया, किसी को गाली दे दिया, उससे नुकसान किसको है, अपने को होता है। यदि हम गाली देते हैं किसी को, किसी के बुरा भला कहते हैं, तो उससे भी वही होता है, उल्टा उसका प्रभाव पड़ता है। संयम जिसने रखा मन में और विवेक से काम किया, जग में उसने पाया सब कुछ, दृढ़ता से जो काम किया। जो दृढ़ता से काम किया वही सब कुछ पाया है, जो संयम से काम किया वही सब कुछ पाया है, जो अथक विश्वास लेकर चला है मंजिल की ओर कि हमें मंजिल में पहुंचना है, आई हैव टू रीच द गोल, तो वही पहुंचता है। और निराश हताश कभी मत होइए, जिंदगी में कोई चीज असंभव नहीं है। चाहे वो कहीं भी हो, किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो, चाहे वो शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में हो, टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग के क्षेत्र में हो, या किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो, निराश तो आदमी को होना ही नहीं चाहिए। कभी भी हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना चाहिए, निगेटिव सोच को कभी अपने अंदर आने ही नहीं दीजिए। यदि कोई सोचता है उसे मना कीजिए कि नहीं, कोई दुनिया में कोई चीज असंभव है ही नहीं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं अभी विदा लेता हूं आपसे। धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। डॉक्टर आर एस तिवारी, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir, for your beautiful points. Now I want to say something. Wait a minute. As
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Okay. As you all know, food crisis on its speak all over the world, and deficiency of oxygen is created everywhere. So we have decided to plant tree in favor to reduce the deficiency of oxygen and to help the nature and our people. So on this topic, I want to invite Dr. R.S. Tiwari and Mr. Payal ma'am say some beautiful words. Yeah.
Bhavani, I think already Dr. R.S.
Yes,
Tiwari
sir.
already speak out now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Bhavani, it's my time. Wait. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank the principal.
Mayank,
Yes, sir.
please see whether Dr. R.S. Meena sir is in the meeting or not.
Dr. R.S. Meena sir, are you there? Hello, sir.
No, there. So you can go to the next. Saurabh sir, would you like to share something?
Sir, I have already talked about
Okay, sir. Okay. Actually, you told me na, that you have a slide. So if you want to.
Actually, sir, I was on the midway. I could not
Okay,
prepare the
sure, sure,
slide.
sure,
I just
sure.
have these.
No issue, no issue, sir. Then Dr. Mahesh sir. Good. Dr. Mahesh Kumar sir.
इसमें भी आवाज आ रही है.
Okay. Dr. Mahesh is not there. So I think Bhavani, you just invite to give the vote of thanks, and then we can go to the plantation.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Anil want to say something?
Mr. Anil, do you want to say something?
Theoretical. Bhavani, now we are going to the field for the plantation.
Okay.
Within 2 to 3 minutes, we will reach over there.
Okay.
Right. So
Again,
we can start the plantation. Just go to the vote of thanks, and then we can. Right.
okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Principal, sir. You gave me an opportunity to speak on this auspicious occasion, and it's a matter of honor for me. On behalf of the entire institution, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Guest because school program can be complete with your presence and inspiring words. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to express my grateful gratitude to all the guests present today. I know I have gone through various glitches, but anyhow, you guys are here. You came here to hear me. You came here to see our presentation. So, thank you all. Now we must move to plantation or to Bhavani Bhaiya.
Okay. Now I would go to through plantation. As all you know, code crisis is on its peak all over the world, and a deficiency of oxygen is created everywhere. So we have decided to plant tree in favor to reduce the deficiency of oxygen and to help the nature and our people. So Subhash,
Yes, Bhaiya.
yes, who is next? I need to call.
No, wait for a while until the sir comes to the field. Then we would turn the camera on. Then we would do the plantation thing. Just wait for a while.
Okay,
Yeah,
so please.
I'm going to
Sir
that
is there.
field. I'm going to that field along with my team. So
Okay.
it's take 2 to 3 minutes. Me at the meantime, if somebody wants to speak out, it's welcome. Dr. R.S. Tiwari sir. Dr. R.S. Tiwari sir.
Actually, sir, I think he leaves the meeting.
Okay. Dr. R.S. Meena ji sir.
No,
Dr.
they
R.S.
are.
Meena ji.
No, I think they are also no in this meeting.
Okay. And Saurabh sir.
Saurabh sir left this meeting.
Okay. Okay. No issue. No issue. So nobody is. So we will have a plantation. This is field we are having here. So 4 fields, 4 trees are there which we have to implant, and it will take 5 minutes more to arrange all these. So at the meantime, if somebody want to speak out, they can.
Okay, anyone want to speak? Okay, no one want to speak. So please be patient.
I request all the teachers as well as all the non-teaching staff to be present in the park, which is just opposite to the gate behind to the main building. I request all the teachers as well as the student of the organizing committee to be come here fast.
Coming.
I also request Kamlesh Dikshit sir for the implantation for our PMKY Yojana. So please be ready with that. उधर उधर भी अब वो
I'm on air.
ये जरूर आना चाहिए ध्यान से। हाँ आ जाओ। अरे यार लेकिन ये दिखाई नहीं देगा ना अपन आगे बैठे साइड। आ रहा है सबका? फोटो भी खींच ले। डाल दो पानी, इसमें डाल दो। पूरा डालना है क्या? देखो है? आ जाओ। एंड न्यूट्रल शॉट आओ। अच्छा सीएससी का लिया भाई, सीएससी का लगा। जब तक तैयारी तो करो दोनों जन। डाल भाई फोटो खींच ले। हाँ इसको यहाँ बीच में रहेगा। खड़े हो गए सर? ये बात पूरी आवाज आ रही है। पानी लाइन बस आ रहा है, पानी आ रहा है। चुनाव आगे मुझसे तो पूरा ही पूरा डाल दो, पूरा डाल दो।
कुछ नहीं मत दिखना चाहिए।
क्वेश्चन सर आपके लिए बच्चों को भी आने दो। हो गया बताया? आ जाओ बच्चा, आज भी आ जाओ। इधर आओ चलो कोई ब्रजेश। से चीन
इसमें तो वो चल रही है ना।
ठीक है,
Okay.
थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू। ये उसे SGIT को भेज दो।
तो सर अब इसको ऑफ कर दो।
हाँ, ऑफ। हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर। ये ले चलो जी उधर, कल उधर लगा देना जहाँ मैं बताऊंगा आपको। कल लगा देंगे। हाँ अभी तो में। चलो थैंक यू बेटा। अब आपका टास्क है पहला वो फ्लैक्स बोर्ड बनाना, डिज़ाइन करना। उसकी एक वो लेके आओ डिज़ाइन की, क्या क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए अपने से सोच के, और फिर उसको डिस्कस करते हैं।